Today, I want to introduce you to something truly special, the queen of all oils, rose essential oil. Hi, I'm Lynn. I empower moms to find affordable, natural solutions for your family's health and home life without the worry of toxins or expensive drugs with side effects. Imagine a single drop that captures the essence of 10,000 rose petals, pure, potent, and powerful. Whether you're looking to elevate your mood, enhance your skin's natural glow, or simply indulge in a moment of pure luxury, rose essential oil is your royal ally. Let me show you why this queen of oils is the absolute must-have in your collection. Rose oil is more than just a beautiful fragrance. It's known as the queen of oils for good reason. It has the highest vibration of any essential oil, which means it's incredibly powerful in promoting emotional and physical health. Rose oil is sourced from the lush fields of Bulgaria, where roses are carefully picked, starting before the sun rises, and must be distilled the very same day. This labor-intensive process, using 10,000 petals to produce just one 5 milliliter bottle of pure CPTG rose essential oil, makes it one of the most precious oils in the world. Now let's talk about the benefits. Rose oil is rich in sedative compounds that help lower stress and cortisol levels. It's known to reduce anxiety and depression, making it a fantastic natural mood booster. It's also a powerful hormone balancer that can help boost libido. My first favorite way to use rose oil is as a personal fragrance. I love the rose touch because it's already diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so it's not overpowering. Plus, it comes in this convenient roller bottle, making it easy to apply anytime and anywhere. I like to roll it on and then layer it with vanilla or jasmine essential oils to add just a touch of romance. My second favorite way to use rose oil is for my skin. I add a few drops to my daily moisturizer. Rose oil is anti-inflammatory, soothing for the skin, and has anti-aging properties to help reduce redness and give my skin a healthy glow. And finally, I love adding a couple of drops to rose oil to my bath water. It creates such a luxurious spa-like experience that's perfect for winding down after a long day. Rose oil is truly a treasure, and I hope you find it as beneficial as I do. If you're looking to explore more natural solutions for your family's health, I have a free guide called Mom's Guide to Essential Oils that you can download. The link is in the description below. Remember, taking care of your family's health doesn't have to be complicated or costly. If you'd like to learn how to get all of your natural healthcare products paid for each and every month, the Vitality Quest is the perfect solution for you. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to share more all natural tips and tricks with you the next time. See you soon.